You got any ideas, bro?
Crap, bro, I don't. I only got 48 hours, dude. That's messed up. Yeah, bro, I don't got any ideas for the script either. Let me go try to get the tripod set up, though. Bro, I can't even set up the tripod anymore. How's the script looking?
Man, I can't even think of anything.
You got nothing! Bro, I quit. Hey, at least we got the tripod going. Still no script though, hey!
Man, we just have to go shoot.
Alright, let's go. Bro, what the hell are we even gonna do?
I got an idea. What if we have two kids fighting to the death to be the best karate champion in the school? But then they both knock each other out with the same move.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, bro, that idea was kind of poop.
Yeah.
I got an idea though. Alright, bro, so hear me out. Two kids come out of the classroom, one of them's a bully, and he starts problems with the other kid. Say he wants his lunch money, kid gives it him, you know, classic.
This is all I have. I don't know, bro. That seems kind of cheesy.
Alright, bro, hear me out real quick though. The kid starts going to the gym and training hard, you know, pumping heavy, real heavy, you know, dumbbells, pull-ups, all that kind of stuff.
I ain't going without no lunch today, pal. I'm ready. I'm coming to get you. I'm gonna have fun doing it. Nah, that's not gonna work.
You're right, bro. We're screwed.